Okay, welcome again everybody to a new session of CBCT image interpretation and the capabilities of the CBCT to do different activities, and it has many tools depending on of course on each software. They are not all the same. However, there are many similarities in between the different programs, but each program has its specific tools, which is program individually given by or supplied by the program. Today we're going to talk about the measurements that can be done in the CBCT, and we know that in the measurements of the CBCT, unlike the conventional radiographs, that is the 2D radiographs, all 2D radiographs, they have a common problem, is that the images which we see, actually they are bigger than reality. The images that we see, they are magnified. Magnified, it means that always what we see in the image of the object that we see is in reality bigger than the object in the patient's body. This is because of the geometrical principle in the image acquisition. Regardless of the technique, whether it was an extraoral, intraoral, all images are magnified except in the CBCT. In the CBCT, what we measure on the radiograph is exactly the similar on the patient's tissues or structures, if we can say, because there is no magnification here. And this is in the CAT scanners, in the CBCT, as well as the MRI.